If your interests have you considering a light jet, take the time to include the Embraer Phenom 300 in your search. The Phenom 300 began deliveries at the very end of 2009, and today with the 300E, there are over 500 of these aircraft in operation, garnering for a number of years the title of most delivered business jet. You'll also find regular maintenance is straightforward and quick to accomplish. Takeoff and landing performance in all types of conditions and elevations is also very impressive. Starting at the front end of the Phenom 300E, Embraer's use of smart probes, often only seen on larger aircraft, provide key flight data information with fewer parts, easy maintenance, and less weight. And in the nose baggage area is also included for smaller items you may want to store out of the way. At the fuel panel, the crew can pre-select the fuel amount and not need to be on the flight deck in order to refuel, a very handy feature when they're on the road. The Phenom 300E is powered by Pratt & Whitney 535E engines, being easy to maintain together with long maintenance intervals. An extremely large 66 cubic foot external compartment, in addition to other storage areas, is provided for most anything passengers might want to bring along. The air stair door on the Phenom 300E is well lit and has a sturdy handle for passengers to easily and safely move up the wide, solid stairs. The interior is what Embraer calls oval light, providing more head and leg room than a conventional cross-section. Several seating configurations are available, providing up to 10 passengers plus the pilot. The windows are well-sized and let in plenty of natural light. The folding tables provide plenty of space for both work and other activities. The enclosed lavatory with a rigid door is quite spacious, with 2 windows providing plenty of light. Forward of the entry door, you'll find the refreshment center with ample storage and in-flight entertainment options. So for a light jet with well-rounded capabilities that has a range of just under 2,000 miles with 6 people on board, consider the Phenom 300E.
For some valuable resources, I would encourage you to check out our website at holsteinaviation.com. Resources include market briefings on nearly 100 different models of turbine business aircraft. These market briefings are updated every month and are downloadable for your convenience. This will allow you to keep a pulse on the market on various different aircraft types. Additionally, we have helpful and informative video reviews and information on a variety of aviation topics that are frequently added and updated.